Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a regular everyday vlog. I wanted to kind of like let you guys see what I do on like a day-to-day, or not really a day-to-day basis, but at least once a week in my fully functioning pantry. So I am sweaty because I have already started like straightening it up. Also, I have my air off. My air is pushed to I think 85 or something like that, just so that it does not come on. All of my windows are open, and I am literally going to like just organize and straighten up my kitchen. Sometimes when my mental health is not like fully stable, or if I'm like in and out of like being anxious or stressed about anything, sometimes it's unconscious stress because sometimes I just can't help it. I will just start cleaning up. Like cleaning up literally helps me declutter my mind because I'm decluttering my space. Not all the time I can like declutter my mind. Like sometimes I'm gonna overthink, and there's literally nothing I can do about it. Like sometimes I can literally count down from 100 to 1,000. I can literally like breathe in, breathe out, like tell myself I'm calm, tell myself to relax, and I'm still not going to do that. Like my mind, your mind is very much more powerful than you sometimes, and sometimes like just talking to yourself is not enough. So I have to like distract my mind from thinking or just stressing, because sometimes I could be driving and all of a sudden maybe like driving in itself, or just the busyness, or too many things going on around me, and like I literally can feel my like neck tightening up. I can feel myself tensing up. I can feel the anxiousness coming. I can feel the irritability, and I don't know where it comes from. Like I cannot tell you where it comes from sometimes, and I'm like, dang, like what can I do sometimes to like alter that feeling? So when I just can't get out of my head, pretty much I just declutter my space. So when I can't declutter my mind, in order to like decompress, I just start cleaning up. I would literally throw everything out of places, throw it out, make it look messy, just so I can clean it up and make it look good. So I already had started. Now, my pantry is never really out of whack. Like I can't lie. I'm very much OCD. So when it comes down to like having obsessive behaviors, in a sense, like you want to do everything all the time. Like you want to do certain things all the time, not everything. You want to do certain things all the time in a certain way. So I literally cannot function on a day-to-day basis if I come in my pantry is out of whack. Now my refrigerator, it gets out of whack every now and then, not too much. Again, like nothing is ever like too much out of place to where I have to really go and like do a whole lot to get it back right. Sometimes it's just I do have a dog, so I have like dog hair on my floor, little clumps when he needs to be groomed and he's shedding. Of course, that's everyday cleanup because I don't like dog hair. I don't like anything related to just dirt, like, or just being unorganized. So I came in today. Today is the day before my daughter's birthday weekend, kind of like shindig that I have planned out for her. So it is Thursday, March 2nd. So my daughter's birthday is March 4th, so she will be 5 years old. So we're going to be gone for the weekend, and I love like coming back to a clean home. I love coming back to like a home, like I'm coming back home and it's like an Airbnb type because it's all clean and nice. So I'm gonna, my husband deep cleaned our carpet yesterday, like vacuumed it, deep clean. Like that's how I clean sometimes. Like I don't just wait till a season to go deep clean. Like if I be like, babe, like I need help, can you do this? Or I'll go do it. We gonna get it done on whenever. It can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Thursday, don't matter. So I'm going to so he deep cleaned the carpet yesterday. Really good. Dust the fans, and then just kind of like tied it up down here. I swept, mop, of course, deep clean, wipe down, sanitize. I normally wash every Friday, but I started washing today. I'm already done with laundry. I just have to put it up, and then I kind of started just like organizing upstairs, vacuuming, getting things like in order. I kind of straightened up the upstairs bathroom closets. I rolled up my towels so I can kind of get them to fit better and to look better, because I like things to look aesthetically pleasing, even if it's not like perfect like you see on TikTok and Instagram all the time. I just want it to look organized. As long as I can come in and I can see some type of organization, I'm good. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of my fully functioning pantry. I did not go to the gym today, so this is like regular. Like this was me running errands today, clothes. These are one curls that I did like a couple days ago, and they just still like doing what they need to do. Like I got this wig, and I made this wig probably like 3 years ago. This is hair from my hair collection, Uncle Brands. And I still like rock my brand shoes still on. There we go. I still have my own, you know, I still rock my brand everywhere. People still shop. People still like rocking Lonker all around the world. So I'm so proud of that, y'all. But I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my fully functioning pantry. I do have a couple tidying up to do. I did sweep it out. I'm gonna sweep it out again because you know when you move things around, it kind of tends to like drop stuff. And y'all, let's get into these results. So as y'all know, after my son, with my son, I had a 30-pound stomach. So I had 25 pounds of fluid, and he was 5 pounds 12 ounces. So after him, my skin was very much stretched out. I literally had I had no muscle strength. I did have retinal distasis, so where my muscles separated. Like if y'all want to know everything, go watch the CDH docuseries. It is linked in the bio. I mean, it is linked in the description. But I've been gymming, so I've been going to the gym at least 3 to 5 days a week, straight. 3 to 5 days a week, weekdays, not the weekends included. And sometimes I do, like 1 week I did 6 days, like Monday through Saturday. Like I've been so determined. I've never been as consistent as I am now. So I'm just like so excited to like see these results. So like y'all see, like I got my butt came back, y'all. If y'all knew like how I looked, I had no butt. My thighs were gone. Nah, they could have stayed gone. I really don't too much care for these because they be hard to lose and they easy to gain. My stomach looks good. I am convinced that no matter how much I work out, this is probably like the flattest my stomach will ever be. I probably won't ever have like a 6-pack, but I'm okay with that because I can feel my stomach like tight. For me to have had a 30-pound stomach a little over 2 months ago, you can't even tell. I got some form coming on, so I'm loving this. Like the results are everything. Like I feel good. I breathe better. I can run now. Like the nerves in my butt are coming back from the nerve damage from the epidural. Like life is getting better. So anyways, enough with me sweating. Let's get into it. Sausages are, give me that broom. They are barbecue. I don't know where they came from.
I'm eating these. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
You ain't got to do all that, girl. Yeah, she got her two rock out braids from back in the day. Set it off braids. Cause her birthday, she about to get her birthday braids. Tonight.
Mom, I want the puffs up here and then 2 strips down.
Tell her to style her hair.
Yeah, I want you to style my hair.
Alright, watch out. I'm gonna mop. I'm gonna pick this up, mop, and then I'll show you guys the finish. Okay, so this is my fully functioning organized pantry. This is actually not restocked. So like this is not restocked. I know we just went and bought drinks because we do run out of drinks really fast. But this is not restocked. However, I know what everything is in my pantry. I can literally tell you what is where with my eyes closed. Down here is pretty much like I was telling you guys earlier. My like storage put up food type of little bin right there. That's grits, flour, all that stuff. That is my bread. I always call it my bread pan, but my bread bin. These are like carnation milks, canned fruit, stuff like that. I do throw like beans and miscellaneous things there sometimes. All the rest of these, this is mainly soups and veggies. This is mainly beans and mixed veggies. That is mainly like mixed veggies and random stuff. Pretty much canned goods. That is actually there because I want to show people that it's not always like super organized to the extent of like things are not outside of these organizers. So these organizers really cost money, and I mean like $5 and $10 a pop sometimes, and sometimes the little set be like $30 and $40. And I'm sorry, but like I don't got time for all of that. So I do have the Lazy Susans. I pretty much have like a lot of the essential stuff. The can holders, ones for like packets of soups, ramen, things like this. I actually melted this inside of the dishwasher one time when I was washing these, because I realized when I do clean them, because I do clean them, not that often, but at least the ones that usually have things like this in it, perishable items, I do wash them out, sanitizing and stuff like that. So this, I'm pretty sure, was this one, and I just replaced it. But yeah, I definitely wipe them out. I don't really wipe out these, I'm not gonna lie. Like every blue moon, maybe once a year, if that, or if I see them dirty. But like that's not perishable items, but these are. So I definitely wash them out, because potatoes go bad, onions go bad, now it's stained and stuff like that. So right here is pretty much the snack aisle. This is like miscellaneous stuff that we just bought, and then these are more like the snacks. Candy, if we do have candy, it's gonna go there. And this is like grab and go. So grab and go, then like miscellaneous, and then veggies. So this is like the breakfast bar, you know, oatmeal, stuff like that. This is like tuna and warm-up snacks and like nuts. This is like if you want to make a sandwich. This is the sandwich bar right here. We have tuna packs if you want to make a tuna pack. These are like grab and go tuna if you want to eat them already. But this is like if you want to make like tuna, peanut butter jelly, onions, and potatoes. Up here is the cereal. I don't know why it looks like we eat a lot of cereal, but we don't. But clearly, I mean, sometimes my husband's been eating it a lot lately, so we've been kind of stocked. My Kitchen Envy cookbook, which I really don't use. I bought it just for aesthetics, really. I am waiting on my book holder or book easel to go up there so that it can kind of look cute up there, because it's actually just been laying like over there. So I decided to like put it up because it's like it should be put up. I actually started grabbing these at Walmart, and I'm going to replace all of those ugly ones with these, but I just didn't feel like spending the money when I did it. And I did my pantry like it's 2023. I did my pantry like 2021, the end of it. So like I just did not come back to it because it's not really like bothering me at all. Outside of aesthetically pleasing, like this right here, I don't like. However, I know the order, and now that I noticed that they are not in the right like height, like from tallest to smallest, I had to move it just because I don't like that. Like I don't like how that looked. Let me take this off. I know exactly what this is. Actually, I should have kept that on because this one came off. Okay, no. It's on the back. I normally turn like the labels on the back so I know what's what, because I do not have that much photogenic memory unless I try it out. But yeah, like, oh crap. One more time. Okay, so yeah, that is like sugar, pancake mix. I'm pretty sure flour, that it's a seafood flour, and then those were mixture of chicken flour and seafood flour. But yeah, then I have my jasmine rice. This is some old parboiled rice that I refuse to throw away because I hate throwing away food. Croutons, and like this other type of rice is like black beans and rice. Of course, this is my little like miscellaneous area, like just holding random stuff. That Lazy Susan has cornstarch, baking soda, cornstarch, baking powder, oatmeal, which normally goes down there, but it actually needed to go there because I didn't have no more space. This is bread, this is flour, and miscellaneous items. Like this is pretty much like the what is it, rollover or whatever you called it, when you have more of it and you need to put it up. Yeah, that's what that is, the excess items. This is miscellaneous. Of course, drinks. This is like, you know, hurricane food if we really need it. Canned goods, noodles, ravioli, and then ramen, and like random little stuff. This is actually also hurricane food that I got. And then these noodles, these are kind of old, like when me and my daughter did the noodle challenge. These random little noodles. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I do not call them ramen, I call them noodles. Let me stop trying to act. Anyway, my air fryer, the actual like air fryer, the door and all of that is in the dishwasher. I put everything in the dishwasher. Like, I definitely want to break that generational curse of washing dishes in my family, unless I have to. Like, I like the dishwasher. And I also got my dishwasher like replaced when I bought my house. So I paid like $900 for a new dishwasher installation and all that. It's gonna get used, and I'm only at $9.99 right now. And down here is pans, and then also I have my N95 mask with also candles in that box, just in case of emergency and we need both. I don't know why I need candles, but whatever. Also rollover items down there. I have a blender and more like Ziploc bags and stuff like that. And that is my pantry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Until next time, millionaires.
It's up now, on a new way, so yeah, start, now they up now. They done slept too long, it's time to show them, now they doubted me. Had their own limits on all that I can be, they clocking me. Wanna know what's next, now they watching me.